Welcome to our Getting Started with Digibyte video. In this video, we're going to discuss how to set up your Digibyte wallet. We'll look at the different wallets that are available to you, and we will tour some of the basic features in the Digibyte wallet. We'll also walk through sending and receiving your first Digibyte transactions. You can explore different wallet options at the Digibyte webpage, www.digibyte.co. From the Digibyte homepage, you can find the wallets that are available to you in two different ways. Either you can click on the Choose Wallet link from the site menu, or from the homepage, you can scroll down to the different wallets that are available to you. As you can see, Digibyte offers a wide range of wallets to suit anyone's needs. There are options to download the Digibyte Core Wallet for either Windows, Mac, or for Linux. There are mobile wallet options available for both iPhone and Android, and there are several web-based wallets provided by both Digibyte and third-party services. In this video, we're going to focus on setting up the Digibyte Core Wallet, but you can choose any of the wallet options that best suit your needs. Let's examine the benefits of each of the three main categories of Digibyte wallets. The desktop wallets, or core wallets, are the wallets that you download and install on your computer. These wallets are the most secure options, and they provide a wide range of features for tracking and managing your Digibyte transactions. Mobile wallets for both iOS and Android give you the ability to use Digibyte when you're away from home. Like the mobile wallets, the web-based wallets also give you the ability to access your Digibyte and send and receive transactions when you're away from your home computer. Remember that you can have more than one wallet, so many people choose to set up both a desktop and mobile or web wallet. In this video, we're going to download the Core Wallet and take a closer look at setting it up. After you download and install the Digibyte Core Wallet, the first time the wallet opens, you will notice a couple of important things happen. When the wallet opens, it will show that it is out of sync with the blockchain, and it will begin to download the blockchain to sync with the most current transactions. You can monitor the progress of the download through the progress bar in the lower left-hand corner. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, it could take a long time to sync your new wallet with the blockchain. However, once your Digibyte wallet syncs for the first time, you will not have to go through the long process of syncing every time you open the wallet. Anytime that the wallet is offline or closed for an extended amount of time, it will get out of sync with the blockchain and it will have to catch back up to the most current transactions. It is essential that your wallet is in sync with the Digibyte blockchain to show your most recent transactions. Your Digibyte wallet needs to sync with the blockchain to accurately show transactions. The blockchain is a public ledger of all Digibyte transactions, and every time that anyone sends or receives Digibyte, the transaction is recorded in the blockchain. Digital currency transactions are processed by a distributed network of users all around the world. The blockchain and the distributed payment network are at the heart of Digibyte and all other digital currencies. The blockchain not only records all the transactions, it also works to ensure security and open access for everyone. Now that the blockchain has finished syncing with our new wallet, let's set it up and begin to use it. I left our new wallet open overnight so it could sync with the blockchain. Now that our wallet is in sync, it's tempting to immediately start sending and receiving Digibyte. But before we do, let's add a bit of security by encrypting the wallet. In the menu bar at the top of the screen, we'll click on the Settings menu and select Encrypt Wallet. This will bring up a dialog where we can enter a passphrase and encrypt our wallet. An encrypted wallet can receive coins but cannot send them without first entering the passphrase. Be careful to write down your passphrase and keep it in a safe and secure location. if you lose your passphrase, you cannot access your Digibyte. I'll go ahead and enter a passphrase here now. There are 4 main panels in your Digibyte wallet. You navigate between these by selecting the tabs along the top. The Wallet Overview panel will show you your current and pending Digibyte balances and has a list of your 3 most recent transactions. The Send panel allows you to make payments and send Digibytes to others. The Receive panel allows you to create receive addresses so that people can send you Digibyte. And the Transactions panel allows you to view all your Digibyte transactions. The Transactions panel also has useful features to help you manage and track your transaction history. You can sort transactions, and you can export transactions as CSV files for use in spreadsheets and other programs. To start using your new Digibyte wallet, you need to set up a new address to receive coins. Creating a new address is quick and easy. First, you select the Receive panel. In the top half of the panel, there are 3 fields. Here, we can create labels for our new address. We can add a message to the transaction, or we could even specify a particular amount. None of these fields are required to create your new address, but using them can help you organize and track your transactions. We'll enter a label and we'll enter a message. At this time, we're not going to enter a specific amount. We'll simply click on the button Request Payment. Your new wallet receive address information will display in a pop-up window. In the window, you'll see several ways to identify and share this new address: the QR code, the address itself, and the URI. Wallet addresses are long strings of case-sensitive letters and numbers. To make it easy to share this new address, you can copy either the URI, the wallet address itself, or you could save the QR code as an image. Once you're done, you can close the window, and you'll see the new address appear in your requested payments history. In the requested payments history, you can manage your addresses, and by selecting one from the list and clicking Show, you can always get the QR code or wallet address if you need to reuse it. You can have as many receive addresses as you want. Some people might even create a new receive address for every single transaction. Reusing addresses is not as secure as creating new ones, so it's a good idea to regularly update and create new addresses. However, unless you delete an address, they don't expire. So if someone sends you Digibyte to an old address, you'll still be able to receive it. I'm going to take a second and send some Digibyte to our new address. At first, when someone sends you Digibyte, you'll see the transaction appear as pending. If you click on the Transactions panel, you'll see the transaction that I just sent to our new receive address. On the left, we can see a little clock icon. After a couple of minutes, the new transaction will be confirmed, and we will see the Digibyte as part of our available balance. Now that we have created a receive address and received our first Digibyte, let's look at how to send them. Sending Digibyte is very easy. All you need is the receive address for your recipient. Once you have the address, select the Send panel. In the Pay To field, you can paste the address. Then, type a brief description for the transaction. And finally, enter an amount. Double-check the information before you send. Once you send the coins, you cannot get them back. Once you're ready to send and you've double-checked the address and the amount are correct, simply click on the Send button. Earlier in this tutorial, we encrypted the wallet, so we'll have to enter our secret passphrase to confirm that we want to withdraw the Digibyte from our wallet. Once we confirm the send, the Digibyte will be deducted from our balance and the transaction will appear in our transaction history. Remember to always double check before you send Digibyte. Once you've sent them, you cannot cancel or reverse the transaction. In some instances, it is helpful to use an address book of the common addresses that you frequently send Digibyte to. For instance, you might use an exchange address on a regular basis, or you might frequently send Digibyte to your mobile wallet. In the Send panel, if you select the book icon to the right of the address field, it will open a list of previously used addresses. You can manage these addresses to help you save time and reduce errors. The labels that you create when you send and receive Digibyte are very important to helping you organize your transactions, so entering specific and clear labels will save you time and make it much easier to manage your wallet. Now that we have covered the basic functions and uses of your Digibyte Core wallet, you're pretty much ready to start sending and receiving Digibyte. However, for just a moment, let's return to the mobile wallets available for both iOS and Android. While many people will choose to use the Digibyte Core wallet as their primary wallet on their home computers, the mobile wallets provide the same functionality to send and receive Digibyte at any time, from any place, on a daily basis. This makes the iOS and Android wallets very good secondary wallet choices, and many people will choose to use both the desktop and mobile versions. Remember to always protect and secure your Digibyte wallets as if they were cash. Encrypt your wallet. Write down your passphrase and keep it in a secure location. Create and use multiple receive addresses to increase your security. And make regular backups of your wallet, just in case. Congratulations! Now you're ready to start sending and receiving Digibyte. Thank you and welcome to the Digibyte community.